What do we have here? No. What is up, loud and proud crowd? I hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic today. I'm in our living room right now with a new set of wheels that have been sent in for a truck, and I'll get into all the details, the whole kind of deal behind this. I want to say first off, this video is sponsored by Anthem Off-Road. Okay, Anthem supplied these wheels. They were gracious enough to let me choose which set I wanted. First off, I want to say that I went directly to Anthem and only Anthem when I was looking for wheels. I had seen many people on Instagram and stuff and whatnot that had them. If you guys know Johnny Huey, who does like the cool Duramax stuff, he's got Anthem wheels on a couple of his trucks, I think, and a few other pages I've seen these wheels, and I'm just like, they're a cool style wheel, you know, like I want to, you know, look into them more. So I went on the website and I was looking around, and I'm like, these are actually pretty freaking sweet, you know. And I was looking around and people had good stuff to say about them, so I emailed them and just kind of contacted them regarding, you know, the black giveaway truck. Long story short, that truck just didn't fall under the terms of agreement for like sponsorship stuff, since it's going to be given away within a couple months here. So it's just kind of like they want to have the wheels on a truck that's going to stay around their channel, which I totally understand, and you can totally see where they're coming from there, because, you know, when you're sponsoring a set of wheels, you know, you want to make sure that, you know, it's not just getting put on a truck and then the truck's disappearing, and then, you know, that's that, you know what I mean? Anyways, here are the wheels that we got, and these are actually gonna go on Nasty Red, okay? So these wheels are gonna go on Nasty Red, and then I think you know what's gonna happen with the wheels from Nasty Red. So the wheels from Nasty Red are gonna go on the black 12 up. Hopefully you guys are just as excited as I am for this. I'm gonna show you these wheels here. I wanted to put these on the black giveaway truck so bad, but I totally see where they're coming from, like in terms of putting them on a truck that's gonna be given away, and then they don't even get to stay around on the channel to show them off. Here they are. Man. These wheels are so sick. 20 by 12, 8 by 6.5 bolt pattern, of course. Anthem Gunners. I believe that's what they're called, the Gunners. Here's the info right there. A761 Gunner. They had a few different options that I was like really torn between for the Nasty Red, and I was like, man, which wheels? And these ones just looked the meanest, they looked the most aggressive, and they kind of stayed with the similar look to what's already on it right now. The styling is really cool on these. I love how they have like these machine looking spokes in between. Looks really cool. They have the machine lip all the way around on the inside of every single one. I just can't wait to see them on the truck. Well, as soon as I turned off the camera, we got some other items delivered here to the house. We now have the front leveling kit and some new LED lights from Naoevo. They have provided me lights a handful of times now, and freaking love them. I think we have this brand in the Nasty Red and the first gen, and now they're going to be in the black giveaway 12 valve, because I think he's got halogen bulbs in that truck for the headlights, which are alright, but we want to have some super bright white lights, and their lights have always been great. And so anytime I actually need a set, I basically just go to them and I'm like, hey, I need another high quality set of lights. And there's all different companies that would gladly send me lights, but these are the ones that I prefer, and these are the ones that I always would go with. So if you guys want to check out these headlights, always a great quality, and they're super bright, and yeah, very easy to install. Absolutely love it. So link in the description for these if you guys are looking for a set for your second gens. I mean, I got the dust up, and now I got water spots, so it's kind of like a trade-off. Water spots, dirt, water spots, dirt. I don't know, I don't really like it. But anyways, I might just have to run it through like a mic or something sometime before we get the new shoes put on her here. But yeah, the reason I pulled the truck into the garage today is due to, we're going to be installing a leveling kit this weekend. My buddy Joshua Foster, those of you who have seen him on the videos from a little while back, he was like my cameraman for like 3 or 4 days when he was hanging out and we were traveling and stuff, which was actually awesome. So if you see this, man, that was absolutely awesome. I do plan to get a cameraman at some point later on this year, like a videographer and video editor. Like, there's a lot of other stuff behind the scenes, like in terms of promotion and designing stuff and, you know, pushing products. I would rather be sewing a lot of my time into versus, you know, sitting down to edit for like 3 hours every evening, which don't get me wrong, I love, but there's just other stuff I'd rather focus on for bigger picture stuff. The truck's in here because we're going to be installing a leveling kit on this thing this weekend. That's where I was going with that. Jeshua was going to be helping me out with a leveling kit, so that's why we got the truck pulled in here. I mean, I just sprayed this thing off not even 3 minutes ago. There's already water spots all over it. It always happens. I always think like, oh, I'm just going to pressure wash out the truck and help it out, make it look a little bit better, and it always turns out worse due to water spots. We actually should be able to go pick up Nasty Red pretty soon here. The truck should be about done. They're just swapping the tires onto the new set of wheels and bolting those up. But we did get a piece of fan mail in. So, and yeah, I'm rocking the old style, the OG Team Odd and Proud shirts with the big stamp on it, which is the decal logo now. Would you guys ever want to see these brought back to the store for the giveaway maybe? I don't know. I've got some brand new designs all made up for the giveaway inventory that's going to be available. Just trying to, you know, evolve and grow and make better stuff as I move along. Somebody sent in some fan mail here from Cheyenne to Loud and Proud. By the way, I do have a P.O. Box. P.O. Box address always in the description below. Like I said, guys, when you guys send in stuff, you're going to get shouted out. It's going to be mentioned. It's going to be noticed, and you're going to receive the recognition that you deserve. There's always people begging for shout outs on, you know, Snapchat and YouTube, and I mean, everybody wants shout outs and stuff, and this is a good way to do it to where, you know, you can send in something, and it's seriously a moment just to focus and reflect on that part that you send in or that item. It doesn't matter. It can be a letter that just says appreciate the content, thanks. Like that is plenty for me to get yourself a shout out or a mention for fan mail, because I really appreciate that, guys. It's just hard to sort through, you know, Snapchats and Instagram messages and stuff, and just to shout everybody out, just to shout them out is just, I don't know, it's a little bit hectic, so I just kind of stick to this route only. Somebody made me a Loud and Proud shirt. Wait, is there something in here? Almost threw that out. It's a letter. It says, Malachi, my name is Cheyenne. I'm from Richmond, Kentucky, which is about 20 minutes from Lexington, which I will be down there to get the transmission built for the Nasty Red and the giveaway 12 valve sooner than later. I've been a subscriber since you posted the video of you bringing home the white second gen. I love your videos. I watch them every day as soon as you post them. I've never sent any YouTuber fan mail before. I decided to make you a shirt that I thought looked kind of cool. I didn't know what size to go with, so I got a medium, which is my size exactly, so you hit the nail on the head. Thank you. I make shirts and decals. If you ever need anything, let me know. You can contact me on Instagram at _Williams_859. So if you guys need shirts or decals, hit them up. I'm super excited for the truck giveaway. I love the black truck so much. You did a good job finding a nice truck. I sure hope I win. Well, you know what, dude? Good luck. I really do wish you guys the best of luck. Keep up the great work, Cheyenne. I keep all these letters, by the way. That's pretty sick. This is actually a sweet shirt. I think he sent me the template one time. He's like, hey, would you be interested in shirts like this? That is sweet. You know, I'm about to put it on right now. Sweet. Look at that. I actually freaking love this shirt. So when you see this video, thank you so much. The next time I pick up the camera here, we hopefully are picking up the Nasty Red, and I'm revealing it to you guys, the new set of shoes on it, in just a bit. Yo guys, we just got the wheels put on the Nasty Red, and oh my gosh. I told my dad to send him a text instantly. I was like, these wheels look so much better on this truck. They're just so mint, and the design is incredible. They just look so mean on the truck and very aggressive. This video is sponsored by Anthem. Anthem sponsored the wheels for the Nasty Red. Enabled me to put the other wheels on the giveaway truck. I would have way rather had Anthems on this truck, which is what my original goal was, but totally understanding as to where they're coming from. You know, sponsor a set of wheels, and then, you know, the wheels get given away, you know, basically with a truck giveaway in 2 months. Like I said, I could have chosen another brand. I wouldn't have wanted to choose any other brand. That's the brand that I chose. The first people I went to, I said, I've seen your wheels all over the place. I want to rock these wheels on one of our trucks. Like, I love the design, the innovation. Like, it's just something that I want to see rolling on one of our trucks. I want to see these wheels on one of our trucks. They look good. So I'm going to send you guys into a little montage here of the wheels, which, by the way, they said they hooked me up with a sick hat too. Their hats are absolutely awesome. I love the fitting and the design. Really clean, fits well. So I'm just gonna show you guys around the truck right now. Be prepared, these wheels are pretty sick.
They told me I should never do. I've been doing things that they told me I could never do. Now, never do, I could never do. I've been looking back and I'm the only one who ever knew. My dreams began to turn out. I told them it's my turn now. They in the club club and I'm in the studio, guess they gonna learn now. Told myself I want it all, gotta get it all, never gonna burn out. I've been busy working, you busy flirting, guess you get what you deserve now. Whoa.
Holy smokes, they look good. I don't want anybody to get the wrong idea about anything. When I go with a brand for sponsorships, whether it's Pusher, Diesel Auto Power, and now Anthem, I seek out brands that I want to work with because I want you guys to be able to work with them as well. When I go to brands, it's not whoever comes to me first, you know, and offers something up. I go to brands that I want to work with, and then I think will find a great value in working with me to be able to work with you guys. Cannot wait to have another set on one of the other trucks. Just after having the set of wheels in the truck, I already want another set right away. My next set of wheels that I purchase is definitely going to be another set of Anthems. Definitely look really good on this truck. I'm gonna try to film as much as I can out here, but the wind is just brutal, so bear with me. They're already dirty and dusty from sitting out here. Man, just look at the styling. I love cool features and when you know thought went into the designs. These are, of course, 20 by 12s, and they are negative 44 offset. These are the Gunner models. If you guys want to go check these out, I will leave a link in the description below for these exact wheels and also Anthem's website, because they have all different stuff for all different kinds of trucks, not just this one, of course. I can't get over it. They look so good on these trucks. Well, there's where my rag went. I'm in love with these new wheels for sure. Like I said, link be down in the description below. Couldn't be happier thus far. June 1st is the projected plan. That is the plan, is to get this giveaway launched on June 1st for this truck and another truck. Make sure you guys subscribe, stay tuned, because guys, we are giving away a 12 valve. There's going to be two 12 valves. One's a manual 5-speed and the other one is automatic. It's gonna have a built tranny in it. You don't want to miss out on this opportunity. There's gonna be one winner and he or she will have the option between two 12 valves. You can pick one. It's just an incredible opportunity. You know, just the thought of winning a free truck. Like, think about how that would make you feel. And you know, I've had a lot of people that have commented, you know, like, oh well dude, I just don't know. I don't know if I have good odds. You don't know if you have good odds? Well, let me tell you this. Your odds in a giveaway, like with me, are probably going to be exponentially higher than even some of the other YouTubers that have, let's say, far more subscribers because they've been at it for a lot longer. Or even like, for example, Diesel Brothers. Totally love and respect what they do. And people do win trucks. People win trucks, they win cash, all kinds of stuff. But your odds of winning a giveaway like that, especially in $5 increments when there's so many people and so many entries going in, I mean, hundreds and hundreds of thousands. I mean, there's hundreds of thousands of people entering. Your odds are so slim. In this giveaway, there's not going to be hundreds of thousands of people entering. There might be a couple thousand people entering, but that's it. You know what I mean? Like, that's it. And you know, some guys are like, oh dude, I just don't know, like, what are the odds? Your odds are just as good as anybody else's. You know, I was telling some guy this, he's like, I just don't know if, you know, if I want to waste my time entering in a giveaway. You know what I mean? Like, what are the odds? I said, well, the odds are actually really good in this one compared to a lot of other ones you're going to have an opportunity on. As I grow and as things progress, this is probably your best opportunity ever to win a truck, because even a year from now, this channel is going to be 5 times the size. You know, then there's just going to be a lot more people. Rules are probably going to be modified a little bit and stuff as things progress and move on. But this is a huge opportunity when a channel's in its early stages. I think it's a great opportunity. And I told a guy, I said, you know what I would say? This is the way I look at it. Somebody's going to win. Somebody's going to get that name drawn, and it could be you. You know what I mean? But if you don't enter, you'll never know. You could be, you know, watching that video that day and be like, man, that could have been my name. If I would have entered, I would have just spent 20 bucks. It could have been me. I could have won a freaking truck. You know what I mean? So it's just the way I would look at it, is like, it could be you. You never know. Everybody has just as good of a chance. So why not enter? You know, people spend 20 bucks on senseless stuff every day of the week. I walked out today and I spent a lot of, well, I guess I spent on postage. It's kind of part of business, but you know, 20 bucks is just like that. You know, I mean, people spend it all the time, so why not enter to win a truck and get some sweet merch. Guys, that is going to put a wrap on this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that one. Just wanted to show you the new wheels on the truck. Just kind of went for a little walk through the property with my mom today, actually, which was a really good time. You know what I mean? Like, I've been so cooped up in this garage and in this barn and working in my room and stuff, like nonstop. Like, it might not seem like that on the videos sometimes. I'm just grinding. When I say that, I mean it. Like, I'm really working on stuff. For an 18-year-old, I probably put in crazy amounts of hours compared to most kids my age. I'm in the developing processes of something huge. It's worth every minute to me. But I got to go for a walk and just kind of enjoy creation, enjoy the outdoors, and just taking a walk out in the woods. And it just felt so nice to get back in the woods. I haven't been out there in forever, so it felt really good to just, you know, out in nature a little bit more than just in the garage and on my laptop working on stuff. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. If you did, smash that thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe if you're new. Go check out Anthem Off-Road. Link in description. Thank you so much. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.